What's going on, guys? This is David, Empire Garage. This is my R33 Skyline. So I told you guys I'd make a video about the trunk shock replacement on R33. Mine are blown, so I'm pretty sure yours is too. So sorry for the bad lighting, but so you guys know that this side's fixed over here on this side, and then it has like a ball pivoting thing on the bottom right here. I actually ended up replacing this side already, and the only thing that I did was you have to cut out the bottom on the pivoting ball because it doesn't slide out, so I just cut like an angle into it, and then I forced it to pop off right here. If you guys look at the length, these are both extended right now. So this one, it looks a little bit longer, but it does actually clear. So what I did was I took this, like the original shock right here, I cut the tab off at the base of the shock right here, then I just drilled a hole right through the center, and then on this, the new shock, what you could do is they both have ball ends on the new shock, but what you could do is twist these off, just the end of it, and it'll expose a threaded piece right on top to where you can put like a 10mm on. So I have it bolted onto the original bracket. After I cut it off, drilled a hole in the center, put a 10mm on, bolted it back on, and then the bottom just literally snaps right in. So yeah, I mean, I guess recap, literally just cut this off, pop this side out, cut that little tab off, drill a hole in the center, and then put this through, and then put a bolt in it, call it a day. This is the part that I ordered off of eBay. It's made by Max Power, right? Something like that. But that's the part number for the shock you guys are going to be using. So I think it has it right here too. It's like SG404092. But yeah, it's not too difficult. So just wanted to give you guys an insight on that.